we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of KraftSense 14-inch cordless lawn mower. Consists of the following features. Efficient 1/8 acre coverage, mow up to 5,000 square feet on a single charge. Unlike underpowered competitors, it finishes your entire yard in one go, no mid-job recharging required. Perfect for urban gardens and townhomes. Ultralight 24 pounds design, at just 24 pounds, it is 50% lighter than bulky gas mowers. Maneuver effortlessly around tight corners and slopes with one hand, as easy to push as a lightweight indoor vacuum cleaner. 10x longer motor life, our brushless motor outlasts traditional brushed engines by 10 times. It stays cooler and runs smoother, providing a decade of reliable, high-torque power without the frequent burnouts of budget models. High-manganese steel blades, equipped with industrial-grade blades 3x tougher than standard steel. They stay sharper longer, ensuring a crisp, healthy cut that prevents the yellowing and tearing caused by common, low-quality mower blades. Gas performance, zero maintenance, get gas-level power with 30% less noise. It eliminates messy oil changes and frustrating pull cords. Just push a button and mow quietly, no waking neighbors or expensive annual tune UPS required. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.